What if I told you the reason your skin isn't glowing has nothing to do with your skincare? Not your cleanser, not your serum, not even your routine. It's your gut. And there's a drink made from 3 overlooked, highly nutritious ingredients that quietly fixes what most people never realize is broken. The crazy part? You've probably seen these ingredients before, but no one has ever explained them like this. If you care about your skin and your gut, like this video and share it with someone who's been trying everything but still not seeing results. Because what you're about to learn will change how you see glow completely. Here's the truth most people aren't told. Your skin is not the problem. It's the reflection. When your gut is inflamed, when digestion is weak, when nutrients aren't properly absorbed, your body starts showing subtle signs. Dull skin, breakouts, uneven tone, that tired look you can't explain. So instead of adding more products, what if you supported the system that feeds your skin from within? That's where this drink comes in. Let's start with the first ingredient, hibiscus, also known as zobo. This deep red flower isn't just refreshing, it's packed with polyphenols and anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that help fight oxidative stress. And here's the part most people don't know. Oxidative stress is one of the biggest silent causes of dull, aging skin. Hibiscus helps support blood circulation, which improves skin radiance, reduce internal inflammation, and gently support liver function, which plays a role in skin clarity. It's even been studied for its ability to support healthy blood pressure and metabolic balance, both connected to overall skin health. So when you drink hibiscus, you're not just hydrating. You're feeding your skin at a cellular level. But here's the catch. Even the most powerful antioxidants won't help your skin if your gut can't use them properly. That brings us to the second ingredient, ginger. Most people think ginger is just for colds or tea, but it's actually one of the most powerful gut-supporting roots you can consume daily. Ginger contains compounds like gingerol, which have been shown to reduce gut inflammation, improve digestion speed, and support the breakdown of food. Here's why this matters for your skin. If your digestion is slow or irritated, nutrients from your food don't get absorbed efficiently. That means less vitamins reaching your skin, more build-up of waste in the body, more internal imbalance. Ginger helps reset that process. It supports your gut so your body can finally use what you're eating. And when your gut works better, your skin reflects it. Now imagine this. You're drinking something rich in nutrients. Your gut is finally absorbing them. But what if you could take it one step further? Moringa. This is where things get really interesting. Moringa is often called a superfood, but that word is overused. So let's be specific. Moringa leaves are rich in vitamin A, important for skin repair, vitamin C, supports collagen production, iron, supports oxygen flow in the blood, and plant compounds that fight inflammation. Here's what most people don't realize. Your skin needs nutrients not just applied, but delivered through your bloodstream. And Moringa supports that internal nourishment. It helps improve nutrient density in your diet, support immune balance linked to skin conditions like acne, and reduce low-grade inflammation that dulls your natural glow. So now you have hibiscus. This floods your skin cells with antioxidants and feeds the gut bacteria that keep inflammation quiet. It is an antioxidant support. Ginger. It seals your gut lining, reduces the inflammation that reaches your skin, and ensures that every nutrient in this drink is fully absorbed and actually used. Simply put, it provides gut activation. Moringa. It builds your collagen, filters your gut with chlorophyll, and delivers the zinc your hormones need for clear skin. It provides deep nourishment. That's a complete internal system. One drink, 3 directions of action. Now let's bring it all together. Here's how to make this drink. 1. Boil a handful of dried hibiscus petals in water for about 10 to 15 minutes. 2. Add 1 medium-sized fresh sliced ginger while boiling. 3. Let it cool slightly, then strain and pour into a glass. 4. Add a small pinch of moringa powder. Not too much, it's potent. 5. Stir well and drink warm or slightly cooled. Optional. You can add a little natural sweetener if needed, but keep it minimal. The best time to drink this is in the morning or between meals. Consistency is where the real results come from. Now let's be clear. This isn't a magic drink. But when you support your gut, reduce internal stress, and nourish your body properly, your skin has no choice but to respond. You may first notice better digestion, less bloating, more energy. And then your skin starts to change. That's the glow people can't explain. If you want to go deeper into how your gut affects bloating and digestion, watch our video on why you're bloated even when you eat healthy. It connects perfectly to what you learned today. And if you're serious about healing from within, subscribe for simple, science-backed habits that help your body work the way it's supposed to. So, not more products, not more confusion, just simple shifts that actually work. I'll see you in the next one.